Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to install a Moen T2901 shower trim kit, step by step. And honestly, this process will work for almost any Moen shower trim kit, since they all go together pretty much the same way. Some handles might look a little different. For example, this one has a set screw underneath, while others have a screw on top, but don't worry, the steps are nearly identical. Step 1. Before you start, I'm going to assume you already have your shower valve installed. If not, don't worry, I have a full video showing how to do that, and I'll drop the link in the description below. Step 2. Installing the trim plate. First, grab this mounting sleeve piece and slide it right over the top of the valve. Next, take your trim plate assembly. It comes in two parts that fit together like this. Line them up and slide them over the valve. You might notice a small gap between the plate and the wall. That's totally normal. Then we'll take our decorative cap. Remember, this piece goes on the left side. Screw it in snugly. Step 3. Installing the handle. Now let's grab the handle. You'll notice a small opening on the back that lines up with the cartridge stem. Just slide it on like this. Once it's in place, use an Allen wrench to tighten the set screw on the underside. If you need a good set of Allen wrenches, I'll link some solid options in the description. Step 4. Shower arm and head installation. Now for the shower arm and shower head. Wrap the threads with Teflon tape, usually about 3 to 4 wraps clockwise, following the direction of the threads. If you ever come across a reverse threaded fitting, just wrap the tape counterclockwise instead. Before adding the flange, I like to apply a small bead of silicone to the back. It's not for sealing leaks, it just helps hold the flange in place neatly. Then screw on your shower arm and shower head, and you're done. That's it, guys. Your Moen shower trim kit is installed and ready to go. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss any of my future DIY plumbing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.